You do not need to be some cracked editing guru in After Effects to create this shatter effect. It's actually way easier than you think, and I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step with me inside After Effects. And if you don't have After Effects and prefer Adobe Premiere Pro like me, I've got a version in Adobe Premiere Pro, thank God, that is 100 times better, 100 times easier, and 100 times faster. In After Effects, add a text layer, name it whatever, and then come up to the effects and presets and search up Shatter. It's this one right here under Simulation. Drag and drop it onto your text layer. Now we need to change this viewed to rendered. Make sure the render is at all. Come down to shape, switch the shape on the pattern from bricks to glass, or wherever it is right here. Boom. Now we should have a glass effect just like so. It's a little basic right now, but now let's spice it up and make it even look better. One of the first important settings you need to consider is the repetitions. This is what's going to make the shatter effects have more of a crumble. You can see that there's more places that it breaks. The more that I intensify this and increase this number, you can see it's just gonna fall apart like that. Now, if I decrease this, you can see that the actual chunks of everything are a lot bigger and there's less of them. So the lower the number this is, the bigger these chunks are, the higher the number is, the more chunks, the smaller the chunks are. So depends on what type of you're going for, but I like mine around 5. Now the origin is exactly where the effect is going to take place. So if you want to have it shatter on the left side over here, it'll shatter on the left. If you want it to the right, up, down, wherever you want it, place it there. I like mine straight in the middle. For the extrusion depth, this turn it all the way to 0. Go down now to force 1. Change the strength to 4.1, sorry. Now go to the physics. Make sure the rotation speed is at 0.1. Leave the turbulent axis, leave the randomness. Go to the viscosity. Change it to 0.86. Leave the mass variance, and the gravity is very optional. I personally don't like the gravity. Gravity will essentially, it's gravity. Like, it won't go anywhere right now. If you want gravity, you can add the gravity and then it will just kind of slowly shatter down. I personally don't like it, so I'm gonna have mine off. Now that you've built it from scratch, realistically, you're not gonna wanna do this each and every single time, which is why I'm gonna show you what I personally actually do to create this in my Instagram reel. To create this shatter effects, all I do in Adobe Premiere Pro is I come over to my graphics templates, I grab the Mogar that I made, I drag and drop it into here, and just like that, the shatter effect is automatically done for me. All I have to do is adjust it to my liking, to my content, to make it look hella fire. So let's just resize it real quick. I'm gonna go into the properties. I wanna change this to like a nice green. So I'm gonna do so like that. Now you can see that change the color. Just that, just a little bit more so I can see that kind of like beam of light, just like so. Let's change this to V2 because that's exactly what I'm saying. Let's make this bigger, just like so. Put this like right here. This is what it looks like right now.
Timelines and hooks pack V2. Timelines and hooks pack V2.
I love this Mogart so much because it adds so much little more details that that basic version doesn't do. Like this beam of light that comes in, you can see as I'm playing it, there's a beam of light. It starts shaking to anticipate that it's going to break, and then it breaks with a sound effect and a light beam sound effect here. Just listen to it. It's just so crisp. Oh, I love that. It just makes content creation so much more fun and easier. And you can find that shatter effect along with a bunch of more clean caption effects, styles, fonts, animations inside the Caption FX pack. Like, I don't want to spend 30 minutes or more on captions just to make them look clean. That's why I use the Captions FX pack. They're as easy as a simple drag and drop. This pack is such a fucking no-brainer for your content and your clients' content. And I truly, really love seeing you guys post using the Captions FX pack in your Instagram reels, tagging me, and it just brings such huge smile from me because it shows that my Caption FX pack genuinely works for hundreds of, not thousands of creators that use it each and every single day. And they love it as much as I do, and I hope you do too. And because you stick around through the end of this video, make sure to use the code CAPTION to save $10 off your order. I've only made 50 of these codes, so once the 50 of these codes are up, they're gone forever. I put the Captions FX pack in the link below, so you can go grab it right now. And if you guys love this video, make sure to go down to the hype button. If you just scroll to the right, you'll see it. It's on hype. I think it's only for desktop. Maybe it's for mobile too, but make sure to hit that hype button. It helps this video get pushed out to even more content creators to share this effect, and I can help them out as much as possible. And if you want to learn more video editing tips from me, make sure to go click this video right over here, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!